Hi internet friends, welcome back to another vlog, and today it is Saturday, I believe. Days are just slowly melding into each other. So today I think I have got a delivery coming, so I'm pretty excited. So it's going to be from Yoi.au, I believe that's how you pronounce the brand. It's basically an Indonesian restaurant here in Melbourne, and they're doing deliveries during the lockdown. So I'm really excited because I haven't had Indonesian food for quite some time. If you can see that, that's just like laundry hanging up there. Yeah, I haven't had Indonesian food for quite some time, so the brand reached out to me through Instagram and I said yes, because why not? I mean, like I miss trying different foods instead of just like my home cooking and just ordering from the same places that we normally do, because we're creatures of habit. Anyway, I'm about to prepare some coffee. So I placed an order online at Woolies, and this time I saw this. So this is a Nescafe 98% sugar-free mocha. So it looks really interesting. I've had the normal ones, not like the sugar-free ones, and I think I've had the caramel one. So I thought I'd give this one a go, see if it tastes the same, if it's good. Like I've said in a couple of my vlogs, I've been trying to cut out sugar as much as I can, or just have as little as possible, and you know, go for less carbs. It doesn't happen all the time, but you know, every bit helps, I believe. And then every now and then we get free samples, and this time we got this one, Moccona deliciously creamy plant-based coffee flavors. So I thought I'd also give this a go, but for today I'm just gonna do this one, and then I'll try this one next time. So they all are almond milk from what I can. Oh, there's a soy version as well. So yeah, I want to see if it tastes as good, and you know, maybe I'll order these. Who knows? We'll see. So I've got my coffee. It smells like normal. Oh, this is gonna taste a bit weird. I've just brushed my teeth. Oh well. Okay, no, it doesn't taste weird. I can definitely taste everything. It's still nice and creamy, but that could also be because I added milk in this, but it's okay. You can definitely taste the mocha, but it's not as sweet, which makes sense because I think they have sweetener in this. So yeah, it's good. I also like how there's like a little warning label in the back of the carton that says if you have too much of it, it's going to give you a bit of a laxative effect, and that does happen with artificial sweeteners. So my grandfather has got diabetes, so when I was growing up, my mum was very, very paranoid. So she'd always try and find sugar alternatives, artificial sweeteners, to put in stuff instead of just having plain old sugar, or we'd get like sugar-free snacks instead, and sugar-free gums, that sort of thing. And then, you know, sometimes you'd have bouts of diarrhea because you've had too much of it. But yeah, that's how I learned that artificial sweeteners actually do that to you, before I actually found out they actually did that officially. So here's a story for you. Ooh, okay guys, so I have had lunch. I've just nuked up some leftover pasta that I had from the other night. Just chilled by the computer, tea, watching YouTube videos with my partner, and the food has arrived. I am actually quite surprised at how large everything is. To be fair, there's two packages in this one. One is from, I think it's called Chick, I think it's CIK. I'll show you guys that in a second, but I'll show you guys the food first from Yoi.au. Again, I think that's how you say it. Here is the box of food. Oh, so much food. And I also have this. I don't know what's in there, but I think maybe drinks, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's open this up. Ooh, okay, so I got some satay. Actually, let me grab my phone. I don't really remember what everything is called. Okay, so this is the food, and we've got some satay here. We've got, I think this is pandan. It's one of the desserts. This has got to be the chicken curry, maybe? I'm not sure. I think it is. And then one of them is the nasi jingo, which is a rice pack with the banana leaf. I can see the banana leaf, so that's probably that. And then, well, actually no, this might be that together. I'm not sure. I'm very confused. I will sort this out later when I'm about to serve the food. And let's see what's in the paper bag. I've quickly popped the food away because it's only 2:56. It's really too early to have that, and we've just had lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna just reheat that later when it's time for us to eat. So yeah, if you guys are interested in Indonesian food, you guys live near the CBD, I'll leave details down in the description box down below so you guys can order from them as well. I think there's only like a maximum radius or like certain suburbs they deliver to, so if you guys are interested or craving Indonesian food, definitely check them out. Okay, now we are going to open the next package. So cool. So it says, here's a new chicken skin to spice up your snack cabinet. Our chicken skin snacks make a great party snack or Netflix night. We'd love to hear from you after tasting it. Oh, thank you so much. So I think we've got 2 of each flavour. So we've got the salted egg chicken skin naturally seasoned. I think I've had one of these before, like not this specific brand, but something like this back in the Philippines. I think you can also get them from like the street vendors in the Philippines, but obviously this is like a pre-packaged snack, so yeah, can't wait to try that out. Okay guys, so I've heated up the food and I've just taken photos, so I'm really keen to dig in. I think some of the food's already gone cold because it took a while, but anyway, I'm gonna have the nasi jingo. I think that's how it's pronounced. This is what it looks like. It's got a banana leaf, and from what I can tell, a combination of maybe some dried sardines, maybe chicken, I think, noodles and some rice. I've also got some chili in there, and then I've also got one of the salted egg noodles. My partner's gonna avoid this like the plague because he doesn't like seafood. Like it's got I don't even know what these things are called, but like the little dry fish. Yeah, I mean, it kind of reminds me of Filipino food because some of the food in the Philippines is quite similar to Indonesian food. Not exactly, but there are some similarities. My partner's just like moved away. We're at the dining table and he's like a seat away, like social distancing, because he can't handle the smell of the fish. Typical country boy. It's not even that strong. I don't think, at least. He probably thinks it smells horrible and really strong and pungent. Yep. Oh. I've added more chili in mine because it's been a while since I've actually had good chili, so I'm gonna savor this moment. I'm not sure if Indonesians also eat with their hands. Like Filipinos can, like that. I think they do. It is the next day and it is what, 12? No, 1. Sorry, it's 1 in the afternoon. Had breakfast and I have to say, my stomach did not like the really spicy stuff, so this morning was Anyway, I am about to just wash or clean the washing machine. I've got this, I ordered this the other day, so every time I go to a supermarket I can never find a washing machine cleaning agent for some reason. Every time I go to the aisle, I literally scan through the entire aisle, can never find one of these. I think maybe because the Kohl's that I go to, the one near home, it's relatively small, so it probably doesn't have everything, or I just don't see it. Anyway, I ordered this one. This one's the Pine O Clean, I think it is. Yeah, Pine O Clean, and this is the antibacterial washing machine cleaner. So it's 5 in 1. There was another one available on the website. It was from Dettol, I believe, but there was something about it that it didn't have that this had. I wasn't really sure. I might not have read it properly, but it just says that it removes 99.9% of bacteria, prevents bad odors, helps remove lime scale, remove hidden dirt, lasting freshness. So I think you're supposed to do this once a month, but I only ever do them every now and then, to be completely honest. Usually a good indicator is when we start to see lint like really pile up on some of the clothing or the sheets. Whenever I do sheets, that's when I start to use this. I never really notice our washing machine ever smelling, so that's never really been a problem. But yeah, I think we've had that washing machine for a few years now, so I think maybe that's why I seem to be using these more these days. But anyway,